I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. You've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another.
I am right here at Cebu courthouse. Not courthouse. Cebu courtyard. This is the room where I stayed. Doesn't look as nice right now. I had a little red horse here last night. There's 65 pesos right here in the cafeteria. And you could sit in the cafeteria or you could walk straight over here and drink it. Comes with a queen bed, TV, a little closet, your towels. This is 800 PHP. It's close here to it's like 11 to 15 minutes away from the mactan Cebu airport. In case any of y'all is traveling and you need a place to stay that is near the airport, this is a pretty neat place to stay. It's not expensive. It's convenient. It's affordable. You have your Bible. You get your key tag. Your key tag, what you do, you have to slide it in here and they'll turn your lights on. Because if you don't slide it in here, as soon as you slide it in, your AC comes on and your lights come on. Power. I'm gonna go ahead and go down, then I'll do another video. But I'm about to leave, about to head to the airport, so.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.